So guys, it's a bit late. I don't usually do this, and I don't condemn this, but I just found like an old USB where I have like all my old pictures, and I just like before bed I was reading the Bible, doing my daily nightly routine, and I passed by this USB and I said, let me take a look, and I've been on it for like an hour, but this just goes to show to you. So this was like honestly less than a year ago, and there's actually been way worse pictures. I just want to show to you. You can see where it came from. Like, let's look at this. So I'm in a friend's Ferrari. It doesn't look that bad, but this, you see this face here. This face looks. He's dead. He's dead, okay? This is less than a year ago. He's dead. He has no morals. He has no dreams. He's been shat on. He's been programmed. He's been abused. He's been through it all. I was looking back at this USB, and the hardest time in my life is when I just turned 19. It's crazy to me. I'm only 20. I'm turning 21. But technically, it's only been a year. Obviously, it's been more than a year, a bit more than a year. But it's like, I don't know how to explain it. If I didn't have this USB of pictures, I wouldn't have remembered this. I don't remember a lot in my past. And the reason why I've came to, because I've thought about this for hours, honestly. I'm not joking, hours. And I really came to the conclusion where I think I actually developed and changed so much. Like, I am, when I say a complete different person, I think not one quality is the same a year ago. And for me, it's like, since I've changed so much, and since I've been living such a tedious life of just working, for me, like, this type of life and this life of just grinding and developing, it's, for me, in my head, all I know. Like, it's felt like years, and it kind of humbles me sometimes, because like, I ask for so much, or I expect so much from me. Like, I want to do all these plans and these crazy activities, right? But realizing how it's been such a short period of time. Like, I just started going through shit a year ago. So it's like, it's so crazy. And really, I really lose track of time sometimes. But it is mind-blowing to me. And I don't expect you to understand, but I hopefully you can relate in some type of way. Because obviously, my personal growth in my eyes is so different compared to, my family members, my friends, or some stranger. So it differs from everyone else's perspective. But for me, since like I am myself and I see the day by day, the second by second, all the choices I've had to make and all the sacrifices I've had to do and all the work and the sweat and the tears, I see all that where some people don't, or majority of the people don't, because it's behind the curtains. So for me to really, again, look back and say, damn, like, it's been just a bit over a year. It's like, wow, it's so crazy. It's felt like, I'm not even kidding, to my mind, it's felt like a lifetime, decades. And how my development to completely changing who I am, like, would probably take a lot of people years, and that's what it felt like. But in a matter of just a year, I've completely changed who I am. I haven't turned my life around. That comes with financial success. But there's a lot of other aspects, a lot of my mindset, my body, my values, my routines. They're all completely opposites. So yeah, I just like, I don't know if you guys can relate. And this wasn't even the best picture. I've seen worse, where obviously it's like me, being really sad and drinking and smoking and crying and all of that. There's been worse pictures, but I'm just saying, like, I'm in a goddamn Ferrari, bro. I'm in a goddamn Ferrari, and I look like I want to die. This is it was celebrating my graduation. I look like I want to die. Let alone, I don't know what the fuck was up with my hair. I was wearing some tight fucking turtleneck that I was fat as fuck, trying to act like The Rock. I don't know. Life was fucking retarded. And man, I don't blame the guy, bro. Well, again, I don't blame anything, you know. I had to go through it to be who I am today. I have no regrets. I did the best I could have done at the time. It's just that, man, this guy here, man, he's been, like, he was going through it, bro. He was honestly going through it. He was absolutely borderline depressed. He was being abused by certain people. And it was hard times, man. But it makes me, now looking back a year after only, it really makes me fucking crazy. It makes me so happy. It makes me motivated. And it's like, wow, look where I came from. Look who I am now. It really, really has some type of effect on your mindset. It's crazy. So, like, I don't really condone looking at old pictures and videos and focusing too much on the past. Especially, it is a bit late. I should be going to bed. But, you know, sometimes I kind of need this little boost. This feeling, the walking down memory lane, sometimes it does really motivate me, and it pushes me and tells me, look where I've come, look who I became, look at my journey, the beautiful journey that I've been through, and there is much more to go, hopefully. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. I don't know if anyone could relate, but fuck, goddamn Ferrari though.